Hello, my name is Marcello. Welcome to the Source AV Design Group's YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss the Hegel H190v Integrated Stereo Amplifier. We will discuss its build quality, design, and sound quality paired with my Sonus Fabre Olympica Nova 5 towers, and make some brief sound comparisons to my Mishi X3 integrated amplifier. First, let's discuss Hegel a little since this is our first time looking at their products. Hegel Music Systems was founded in 1988 by Bent Holter, a student at the Technical University in Trondheim, Norway. For his thesis, Holter focused on developing a novel transistor design to reduce distortion in audio amplifiers. This research led to the creation of Hegel's proprietary sound engine technology, which remains central to their products today. The company's name has an interesting origin. In his spare time, Holter played in a rock metal band called the Hegel Band. When the band needed amplifiers for concerts, he suggested building them himself. This need for amplification provided the necessary equipment for the band and laid the foundation for Hegel Music Systems. Hegel differentiates itself from other hi-fi manufacturers through its innovative proprietary technologies. One is its sound engine technology, which helps prevent distortion in the audio amplifier circuit stages. Unlike other manufacturers which may use global feedback, Hegel uses local and adaptive feed-forward technology. Over the years, Hegel has expanded its product lineup to include integrated preamplifiers, power amplifiers, CD players, and advanced digital to analog converters, which can all be viewed and purchased on our website or in store. The H190v is a Roon-ready UPnP streaming integrated amplifier that has a minimalist visual design with a solid steel chassis, aluminum front with aluminum knobs. Available in black or white, the amplifier is not flashy and focuses on superb sound quality before some of the visual bells and whistles you will see from other manufacturers Hegel competes with. The 150 watt Class AB power into 8 ohms with a damping factor of 4000 paired with a large toroidal transformer and high quality output transistors allows the H190v to deliver power with precision. The H190v uses a dedicated power supply for the best audible performance for the preamp and DAC sections. The internal DAC can handle 24-bit 192 from the single digital coaxial input, 24-bit 96 from the 3 optical inputs, 24-bit 96 from the single USB-A input, and 24-bit 192 from the Ethernet network port. Along with the H190v being Roon ready, it also has AirPlay, Spotify Connect, UPnP, and offers MP3, WAV, FLAC, ALAC, AAC, PCM, and OGG for streaming formats. According to Hegel, the frequency response of the integrated amplifier is 5 Hz to 100 kHz, with a signal-to-noise ratio of more than 100 dB, crosstalk of less than negative 100 dB, and distortion less than 0.01% at 50 watts. The integrated amplifier, which weighs 31.3 pounds and is 7.72 inches high, 16.93 inches wide, and 16.15 inches deep, will easily fit on most audio racks. Looking at the back of the H190v, we have the moving magnet phono preamplifier, a scaled-down version of Hegel's V10 phono preamplifier. We also have 2 analog RCA outputs, 1 fixed and 1 variable. For analog inputs, we have 2 sets of RCA inputs and 1 set of XLR inputs. Next are the speaker outputs, followed by the digital input section with 1 coaxial, 3 optical, 1 USB, 1 network connection, and lastly, the power inlet. For my impressions of the H190v, I used a Clarus Crimson power cable and Clarus Crimson speaker cables. On the front of the H190v, you have 2 aluminum knobs, one for volume and one for sources. There's also a power button hidden beneath the display, and lastly, you have a 1/4-inch headphone output. The H190v also features IP control for smart home integration with Control 4, Crestron, and Savant. Hegel recommends using the variable output to connect a subwoofer to your H190v. If you are a Brel subwoofer user like me, you can connect via the high-level speaker wire terminals. So after discussing most of the specs and look and feel of the Hegel integrated amplifier, let's discuss ease of use and overall user experience. The H190v is extremely simple to set up, especially if you are a Roon user. I hooked up the integrated amplifier via its Ethernet port and added a new audio device quickly and easily in Roon. It took less than a minute for me to be up and running and streaming via Qobuz, Tidal, and my physical digital library. I love this about the H190v. Most of the other integrated amplifiers I have in-house require a streamer to be connected to them to do what the Hegel does, and sometimes the streamer go-between for those integrated amplifiers makes the overall user experience less enjoyable than the Hegel H190v. The included metal remote is easy to use and has a reasonable number of buttons to help keep things simple. I also like that the H190v will power itself down when no signal is detected, which helps save electricity. At $4,200, the Hegel integrated amplifier, which includes a 2-year warranty, offers excellent value and performance for a truly endgame listening experience. It can easily drive most speakers. So let's get to my favorite part of our videos. How does the H190v sound? The Hegel H190v has an expansive and well-defined soundstage, allowing for sniper-like placement of instruments and vocals. It creates a lifelike and immersive listening experience, and on many recordings, it creates a listening experience as though the performers are in the room with you. The amplifier's tone and timbre present a natural, uncolored tonal balance. Instruments and vocals are rendered authentically, capturing the subtle nuances that bring recordings to life. The mid-range is open and transparent, contributing to a lifelike and very engaging listening experience. Listening to a hard teacher from The Last Samurai displays instruments with truth, not leaning to the warm or bright side, but sounding truly neutral in tone. Listening to the Babel soundtrack and the song Deportation shows the incredible qualities and performance in the mid-range of the Hegel H190v when paired with the Nova 5 towers. The H190v offers tight and well-controlled bass, providing a solid foundation without overwhelming other frequencies. This control ensures that bass lines are impactful and articulate, enhancing the amplifier's overall musicality. Listening to Mombasa by Hans Zimmer from the Inception soundtrack is a great track that displays the level of speed and control in the bass. The H190v's midrange is a standout feature. It delivers clarity and detail that bring out the best in vocals and mid-centric instruments, resulting in a sound that is engaging and faithful to the source material. High frequencies are reproduced with finesse, offering a clean, detailed treble that avoids harshness. This allows for fatigue-free extended listening sessions with cymbals and hi-hats sounding crisp and natural. The H190v has impressive speed and dynamics, easily managing complex music compositions. Its ability to maintain clarity and separation during demanding music passages ensures that each instrument is separated from the other instruments and vocals, providing a gratifying listening experience. The Hegel is equally impressive when spinning vinyl, with no noise noticeable from the phono stage. The soundstage becomes more remarkable when listening to vinyl from my Marantz turntable. Compared to my Mishi X3 integrated amplifier, which is my reference, the Hegel has a faster sound quality with a tighter, more controlled and refined bass signature. The original Mishi X3 with AKM DAC has a bit more warmth in the bass and mid-range and a slightly sweeter overall silky sound than the Hegel H190v. It sounds like it leans towards a neutral warm sound compared to the more neutral sounding Hegel. Both are fantastic audibly, and it will depend on your personal preferences in sound and the speakers you pair them with. So let's wrap up. The Hegel H190v is a versatile, high-performing integrated amplifier that offers a balanced, immersive listening experience and is a compelling choice for discerning audiophiles and music lovers alike. If you love vinyl or use Roon and are looking for a neutral, well-performing integrated amplifier, visit our showroom or your local dealer to listen to the H190v with your favorite speakers and experience how impressive it sounds. For more information on any of the products discussed in this video or to make a purchase, please visit the links in the video description. Also, TSAV has added some great new options on our website. Our brand new rewards program lets you earn points for discount coupons on future purchases. We have also expanded our financing options, so check those out and sign up for the rewards program today. We have some cool videos coming this year with new product announcements, so please consider subscribing to our channel. From $150 earphones to multi-million-dollar home audio, cinema, and automation, TSAV is a hi-fi paradise for building the system of your dreams. Please tell us what you think of the Hegel H190v in the comments. Do you own it? If so, what are some of your favorite qualities of the amplifier? Until next time, friends, remember, let the music be your guide.